Merry Christmas, Super Suppers! Thank you for joining me today on Sup's 12 Days of Christmas Cookies. Today we are making alfajores that were originally from Spain and then they were brought to South America. They are still eaten in Spain on Christmas. Okay, so let's get right into it. So first are the ingredients for the cookies. 1.5 cups of unsalted butter, 1 cup of confectioner's sugar, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, 1/3 cup of ground almonds, they can be ground in a food processor, and 3 cups of unbleached flour. The first step is to cream the butter and the powdered sugar until fluffy with the hand electric mixer. This is looking so nice and fluffy. Now we're going to add the salt, the vanilla extract, and the almond extract. Next, I'm going to ground the almonds in a food processor or blender. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of ground almonds into the mixture, then I'm folding it in. 3 cups of flour. And 1/3 cup of flour in. Now, you mix all of it together. You add the dough into a ball. Now I'm gonna get some plastic wrap. It's looking like dulce de leche. It's at 230 right now. It needs to get to 238. Once it does, we're gonna take it off the heat and it has to go to 110. Now we're going to roll out the dough while the dulce de leche is going, the temperature is going down to 110 degrees. You have to roll it out to 1/4 inch thick. Wow. I'm going to cut out the 2.5 inch circles. You can use a cookie cutter, but I'm using a wine glass. I just rolled out and cut these alfajores, and now they're going to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. We are down to 110 degrees on the dulce de leche, so now I'm going to put in the butter. I'm going to beat the mixture until it's thick. It's time to take the cookies out. Now you put a little bit of dulce de leche on the bottom half of the cookie. Don't put too much, because if you put way too much, it will just slip and slide. The top will slip and slide. These are alfajores. Now I'm gonna try one. Very drippy with caramel. Wow, drippy. It's good. The almond really blends with your palate, just flows with it. And the caramel had that perfect sweetness to balance that out. Thank you for joining me today on Sup's 12 Days of Christmas Cookies. Bye! Merry Christmas! Take care!